Hey guys, Sandy from Shape Up Sandi, and today I'm gonna do something that I've never done before, so that's why I've got this goofy thing on my head, because I am going to go bungee jumping. I've always wanted to do this and I've never had the guts, and today is the day. I am going to jump off a crane or something.
Her friend told her to jump off a cliff and she's been dying to do it ever since.
It's true. It's true. What can I tell you? So, yes, that is what I'm gonna do today. I'm here at Ski Bowl in Mount Hood, Oregon, and this is the summer adventure. It's not winter right now, and so I am going bungee jumping. Yay! Anyways, so I will check back in with you afterwards and tell you what I thought. Hopefully I've properly digested by now, and I will keep all my food down. Fingers crossed. All right, I'm gonna get fitted for my harness here. These are so attractive. Oh yeah. That's right. They really make everybody look skinny. Highlight all your best parts.
Can you breathe?
Do I need to breathe too?
That helps.
Yeah, breathing is optional.
Fresh bungee jumping. There's our girl.
Alright, step out on the platform there. I'm going to count down from 3, and you're just going to take one step off like you're stepping off the curb.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Alright, 3, 2, 1. You got it.
Okay, let's do that again.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
And then do I grab onto this?
Can if you want.
Okay.
Just get the big bear hug if you want.
Yeah, I do.
3, 2, 1. Bungee! Go for it.
3,
Got it.
2, 1. Ah! Oh my God! Oh! That was kind of scary. I did it.
How was that? Pretty fun?
Once I finally jumped off, that was scary.
Yeah.
I mean, like once I went down and I came back up, then I wasn't so scared. But like that walk ahead, like stepping off the platform, wow.
It gets you.
That was,
A little bit scary.
that was, yeah. Oh my God, my legs are really shaky. That was scary, like to walk off the platform, even though I knew the bag was there, and even though I knew I was all harnessed up, my heart was beating. He had to count like 3, 2, 1, like 5 times, because I was like, ah.
You got it.
Okay, let's do that again.
3, 2, 1.
And then do I grab onto this?
Can if you want.
Okay. Okay, start over. That was, oh, I don't know if I would do it again, but it was definitely exhilarating. I'm definitely glad I did it. And you know what, guys? The name of the game is, let's turn off the GoPro. How do we do that? The name of the game here is just go out and try something. Get out of your comfort zone and go do something that you never did. You may love it, you may not, but go try it, all right? So this is Sandy here from Ski Bowl in Mount Hood, signing off saying just go try something. Bye.